This is an Elddis Envy CV20 and it's just a good, honest, simple camper van. Based on the Fiat Ducato, it's got the 2.3 litre diesel engine in it. It's just under 6 metres long and it is plated at 3.5 tonnes, so it is drivable on a standard car licence. TV aerial up there on the top, as you can see, and this one's got the rack on the back as well, which is quite helpful. But yes, it's just a nice, plain, straightforward motorhome. I like the colour. Got the awning on here as well, and the smart alloy wheels. But let's go inside and I'll show you what it's all about. So that opens like so. We can power the step out with that button, and this one's got the over carpets in it. You have got flooring underneath there, so if you want the more practical flooring you can have it. If you want the luxury of the carpets, well then you can have that if you choose. This seat here, as you can see for yourself, swivels round, and then we've got the dashboard here. 140 horsepower if I remember correctly, and this has got, of course, the Fiat steering wheel with the remote controls on for the phone and the cruise control, all that kind of stuff. Heater controls, air conditioning, all pretty straightforward really, isn't it? If we move on back a bit, we've got the fridge tucked away in here and a bit of storage underneath. And then if we swing on right round, galley areas here. What they've done with this is put drawers in the end, which is very helpful because you can get at those even when you're outside. And then again, it's just storage tucked away around the place like this. Down underneath here as well. They do pack it in to every corner. We've got the gas cooking, but actually what they've done with that is they've put an electric hob plate on there as well, so that if you're plugged into 240 volt power, you don't have to use up your gas, you can cook on the electric. Oven underneath, sink underneath that one. There we go. And yeah, more storage up here. For a sub 6 metre vehicle, they've packed it in, haven't they? There's a skylight that opens up above. These have got blinds that come across, so a bug screen that way and a night screen that way. If we head on back then, toilet is on this side. And again, a bit more storage in here. Again, you've got the overhead opening little hatch there as well. A bit of light, a bit of ventilation. I like the light wood they put in here. Makes it nice and bright and open. And of course the rear doors open, so this lounge area then can be open to the elements at the back, which is rather nice. Now this will convert into a double bed. There's sections underneath here that slide out, and that is how you make that into a big bed. You use this backrest cushions here, drop them into the centre. Bob's your uncle. More storage up here, all the way along. I like the lighting that they've put in to places like this. That works very well. Another skylight up there. A lot of natural light into this one actually. And then of course you've got the opening windows, with these got blinds in them as well, like so. And in fact you can have a bug screen as well if you want to, or instead I should say. You can't deploy them both at the same time obviously, why would you want to? And that's, yeah, rear doors out through here. But that really is about the size of that. As I said, it's a nice, plain, straightforward, practical motorhome. Little lift up section there to extend your kitchen, and that's about it. Control panels up here, just giving you access to battery condition, for example. Water tank, which is empty at the minute, as you can see. You can switch the water on and off from here, and then you've got heating controls and hot water, all controlled from there. And that, my friends, I think is about the size of that. I'll take a seat here. I'm going to say thank you to Dolphin Motorhomes for organising that tour. Thank you as ever to you guys for watching it. Let me know what you think of that one, and we'll catch you on one of these real soon. Take care. Bye bye.